Call me. I'll give you my number. Just meet me at the park on Wednesday.
Hi guys. We want to tell you
You
something.
like my new books, everybody?
We want to tell you something that stop when you can't have the sound. If you want it off, if you don't want it on, if you want it off, and you put your shoes like here, you can put this on. Feel it. You have to shake it.
And you gotta go like this.
Hi guys. We lost our dog, so you might wanna. I wanted it. But you keep your feet off the table, then you can move. You can have it. I'll take your phone.
You take my phone, what's gonna happen? Give me my phone!
And dog, I'm telling Grandma now. Grandma, can you show me
Doing karate.
Okay, everyone, just getting here today.
I am here.
I'm happy.
Here.
I'm
Rock and roll, baby.
Winnie's just stupid.
Jessica's retarded.
Hey, baby.
She wants to call me stupid, she's retarded.
She's retarded.
You're dumbest.
So we lost our dog. So can you?
Do not help us find it yet. It's someone else's turn. Here.
Can you find it so we can? And if you want, can you find him? And his name is Shiloh. And can you? He has gray.
Oh my god.
Kelly, it's my video.
It's someone else's turn on the
Wait,
She's got 10 more minutes.
it's gray. He's tan, and he can't. He's friendly. Let's say that. So if you find him, call 808-9657 or
If you say my name, just say definitely Mikey.
or call 1-773-808-9658 and definitely Mikey for you from Brittany.
No, don't give me Kelly's number. She just likes them.
And if you want Kelly's number, I don't know her number, so don't even try to ask me.
Man, you can have.
So try to find him and then call us or come to us. That'd be 5111 West Grace. Okay, see ya.